Today we are going to share 3 simple planter ideas that even kids can try at home. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with a DIY craft on reduce, reuse and recycle. Thank you for the wonderful response on our last DIY trials on planters. In case you missed watching this, here is the link in the description. So let's start with our today's DIY planters. So to make this planter, you can use any recyclable container of your choice. It is very important to put holes on the containers.
I'm going to use this roll today. This is easily available in supermarkets or any stationery shops. This is called adhesive rolls. These are used for wrapping, or you can use it on window or anything else that you want to give it a rich look for your decors. Yeah, it's a roll. It's a self-adhesive one.
This is super easy to make and it also gives a rich look to your decors. And the roll costs between 5 to 15 dirhams and it's a multi-purpose roll. Introducing you to another super easy planter. It requires a container, glue gun. I'm using white color acrylic paint and some pebbles. You can use any stone, any pebble, lightweight ones preferably. These are available for 2 dirhams. I have roughly given 2 coats of white paint. Now using glue gun, I'm sticking the pebbles one by one.
This is super fun, even kids can have fun.
So our super easy planter is ready here. Now moving on to the last planter for the day. So I have used blue acrylic color here. The first coating is dried completely. I'm giving the second coating now. It's all dry now, so I have some mirrors here fancy mirrors that I'm gonna stick it as per my creativity. If you don't have mirrors, you can use other craft items as per your imagination. So this is again another easy one that even kids can try at home.
See how it looks. Once it gets dried, we will remove these excess glue from here. So you can see a small thread here. You can remove it off and it will look neat. Yeah, so I'll show you once it dries.
So here goes our beautiful Pelias into this planter. Hope you like this.
I hope you liked all the planters we did today. Do comment down which was your favorite. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye bye and thanks for watching.